Grandma, what did we make today?
What I make today, make egg roll today.
Beautiful.
That today, make egg roll, that make nothing. We have lots of food there. Bun food yesterday.
Just put it in. Just put some carrot into some ground pork.
Look, hey, okay?
Wait, how much ground pork?
3 pounds.
3 pounds, maybe more. That one save right there.
Egg whites. And the shell.
I can eat it. Now I want you feel that. Feel that. You stand over here. Feel that thing.
Rosie, you peel the onion.
Wait, baby, wait.
Oh.
Yeah, that carrot and egg, right? Right, carrot and egg, right? Wait, see. Okay, then onion.
Yeah. Okay, Grandma's adding 1 onion.
1 onion, okay. Take your time. Don't hurry.
You're the one that hurry.
You the one. Because I don't know what time you come. I take the meat out last night. I forgot what you guys say. Grandma get old now. I forgot everything. They say it's dinner.
5 ounces of carrot.
I'm out of running room, Grandma. But I cut my fingers off.
What do you do?
I always just leave the last bit of onion. I never.
Well, look, you what?
Oh wow.
1 bowl of
Chinese mushroom.
Chinese mushroom.
And then 1 roll like that. You see that? One do like that. See, baby?
What is that?
Chinese noodle. Clear noodle. That's a clear noodle.
The whole bag?
1 small bag like that. You look at that bag. Where's the bag? I buy here only 60 cents. But I don't know, later you guys go over there. I don't know how much. But 1 bag like that. Remember that. Someday you guys boring and then make egg roll, okay?
Okay.
Send to Grandma. Okay? You see that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And that's 1, right? You do like that. Don't need to do small like that. Or you look.
You're still mixing this?
Wait. That 1. That you can see first and then you make. That 1.
Half a spoon of salt.
MSG?
Mm-hmm. Then 1 spoon sugar. With that spoon, right?
Mm-hmm.
And pepper. Look. Pepper. How much do you want to put in? You put. Don't worry. Don't matter. Depend what you do. Okay. And then you mix like that. See? Okay. Mix together. But suppose I have the cloth for you mix, but I don't have. Cloth better. I don't have the cloth.
This is wonton paper.
You have to take picture of that thing like that, baby.
Wait, can you give it to me?
Take it up here, the 10. See, take it up and then you put it. Put that like that. Like that, baby. That's easy. You do that first, okay? Like that. Look, depend. How much meat you want. Depend from you, okay? Like that. And then that one go in here, okay? That. See like that, right?
Mm-hmm.
You go like that. See, easy?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, like that. Like that. Depend how much you want last the meat or you do like that. Okay? There you go. See? You now do. Now you do.
Easy.
Easy, okay, do it. Let me see.
Watch. Maybe you might learn something today.
Put that one. 25 feet. And so now I put that one. Baby don't eat nothing. Baby, I don't know why baby do that. Baby don't eat. I have lots of food for baby, but baby don't eat.
Baby don't eat?
Yes, baby. Papa? No, come, baby.
Disgusting.
Come on.
It looks like you didn't roll enough to me, but I don't know. I was not paying attention at first. Oh, okay, that looks good.
This definitely is the worst one of all the ones in the tray, but I'm proud of it.
Leave the down there first. Okay. The one more. Like 2 roll. Or one for each, okay? Do like that. Or you can do like that. There, leave right there. See? See that? That right paper hard to me. Okay, like that. One look. Okay, yeah, that right paper. Okay, make one. Something
Oh,
right?
you did it on top.
Something right? Like that. Because right paper you do different. Later you do like this. You do like this. Now wait they cool, okay, they soft. They soft, they do like this. See, look like that, right? That one you have to do like that, okay? And then like that. Okay? Look, you see that, right? You don't have to put that.
You don't have to put egg because
No.
it's already wet.
No. Then you see that? You look good, right?
Okay, take
Why
a
you
photo.
like that? Somebody opened already. Who did that? I buy? I don't remember. Who do that? Who do that? Open, I buy from public, but open, I don't know. Let me see. Almost have buy them.
You don't even measure the oil temperature. You just drop it. You just wait for it to get hot.
Did drop it. I don't.
No regard for overcrowding.
I don't know how temperature. I just like that.
I guess it's pretty easy to fry.
I cook all the time, so I know. But you guys, why one temperature? That's good. That's good. That's one I make for you guys. You put. And later, what time you people, your mother over there eat lunch?
Frying.
I don't know. The color or something.
What color?
I'm just showing what it looks like now that it's done.
They done. I do little brown. They done. That little brown like this. That's a bun, okay? Don't do it like that. Like that. Better. Look. You see it? Look like French fries. That's all. You know what I mean? Don't taste it.
The sauce makes the egg look.
Anything you eat, look like you go McDonald's. You need a lot of sauce too, right?